Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa. If you are new here, if you have been following all along, then you know today is day 7. We're going to be doing a dark queen look today. If you haven't watched my last video, please click the link right here and let's get started. So as you can tell, I already did my base makeup. If you'd like to see how I do that, please go look at my other videos. I do go into more detail with that. I did do a little contour, a little highlight. I did my brows. Of course, I primed and prepped my face as well. 2 palettes today. Everything I do use in this video, even for my face, will be linked down below in the description box. So if you'd like to purchase any of that, that'll be linked down there. We're going to be using the James Charles and the 3503 palette from Morphe. And we're going to be combining these 2 palettes for the eye look that we're going to be going for today. Alright guys, so we're actually going to be going in with the James Charles palette first. We're going to be using a smaller fluffy brush and going in with the first color, Single. This is the lightest shade of purple in the palette. We're going to angle it out towards our hairline so it's a little triangle coming out, kind of like a wing. And we're going to be doing that C pattern again in the outer corner of our eyes, all the way into the inner corner. We're going to bring it in and smoke it out. And then we are going to be bringing each color underneath to our waterline, shading it in closer to the inner corner, but we don't want to go all the way to the inner corner. Make sure it is blended out pretty well in the inner corner on the eyelid. We are going to smoke it up to the eyebrow a little bit. Then we're going to be taking the same color that we just used on our eyes and do a little circle around our nose and blend it out. We're going to be highlighting the tip of our nose with this, as well as going in on our lips. We're going to want to bring the color on the outside of the line of our lips and just shading it out as well. This will give it more of a pout look. We aren't going to be doing lipstick today, so this is going to be our form of lipstick. Then we're going to be going in with the Escape in the James Charles palette. Same thing, we're going to be smoking it out into that triangle, bringing it down underneath the waterline. Please make sure you are blending when you put this color on. You want the colors to blend very well together and not have the harsh lines. And then we're also going to be bringing this color into our nose and our lips as well, just smoking it out into a circle shape on our nose. We want to make that point pretty noticeable. That way it looks like it's a more highlighted area of our face. Just make sure you blend all the colors together in each section that you're using the eyeshadows. You want to also make sure that you're blending out the outside line. So you can see right here I am blending all around. You want to make sure that there's no harsh lines when you are done with this look. You want it all blended and look more natural. Now we're going to be going in with the same color on our lips. We want to do our natural line with this, and you can see I am blending to the gods. We're going to be fixing up any of the mistakes that you want to fix. So I did it a little bit too low underneath my lip, so I just wanted to fix that and get it a little bit closer. I wanted more of a dramatic lip look, not necessarily an overdrawn lip look. So that's what I did there. Now I'm going to be going in with the color from the 3503 palette, the Morphe palette, and going in with the color Hypnotic. This we're going to be doing in the inner corner and blending it out nicely up to our eyebrows. Once you're finished with the eyes, you're going to be blending on your lips as well. We don't want to blend all the way in. We do want to leave a little natural lip. So now that we've finished the eyes, the nose, and the lips, we actually are going to go in with the Stila liquid eyeshadow. This is in Sea Siren, and we're just going to hit those inner corners. So you can see that I am just applying it with the applicator that comes with the glitter eyeshadow. Then I'm going to be bringing it in towards the middle of my eye just a little bit. Then I'll be taking a fluffy brush, the same one that I used for the eyeshadows. I'm going to be using that to just blend that out just a little bit and make it look more blended and not as harsh. Now I'll be taking the black from the Makeup Forever 12 Flash Color palette and just painting that on with a natural paintbrush. I will just be drawing the line on my jawline and bringing it all the way down. I'll be putting it on my shoulders and my arms as well, getting my entire chest. This is just the first layer. You will have to apply multiple layers if you want it to be completely black. So that is what I'm doing right now. I do end up switching from the brush to a disposable sponge just to blend it out a little bit better. The brush is good for the first application, and then you will want to go in with a disposable sponge or a beauty blender and just dab all the spots that are not as blended. Then I'll be taking the same brush that I used to apply the black and going down the middle of my bottom lip all the way down to my chin and drawing a thicker line. I will be triangulating it out towards my chin and then finish applying the black. Once I do one coat, I am going to go in with the sponge and kind of blend out the spots that need to be blended, and then I'm going to be going in with another coat. So now I am going in with the color Spooky in the James Charles palette and just going in over all the paint and mattifying it. So this is the final look. I hope you liked this video. If you have any ideas, please comment down below. Everything that I've used in this video will be in the description box, so you can use the link and purchase it at your own will. As always, I hope you guys have a spooky day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!